Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use chlorine test strips. First, understand that these strips offer a fast and simple way to check your water's chlorine content. Getting accurate readings is crucial for maintaining safe and balanced water, whether it's for a pool, spa, or even drinking. Regular testing helps prevent common problems like cloudy water or skin irritation, ensuring a pleasant and healthy environment for everyone. Now, let's get to the simple steps. Take one test strip and dip it into your water sample for exactly 2 seconds. Make sure not to shake off any excess water when you pull it out, just let it drip naturally. Then, set a timer and wait for 15 seconds. This allows the chemical pads on the strip to react and develop their true colors. Once your 15 seconds are up, it's time to interpret the results. Immediately compare the colors on your test strip to the color chart provided on the test strip bottle. Match each pad to its closest color on the chart to determine the specific chlorine concentration. For most applications, ideal free chlorine levels should fall between 1 to 3 parts per million. After you've got your readings, adjust your water's chlorine levels as needed to keep it balanced and safe. Remember to test your water weekly to ensure consistent quality control and prevent any issues from arising. Maintaining proper levels is key for long-term water health. Also, for staying refreshed throughout your day, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.